Good morning, everyone. Today I will start a triumph of surgery from supplementary reader. The author of this chapter is James Alfred Harriot. He was an English veterinary surgeon and writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916 in England. James Harriot was his pen name, and being a noted veterinary surgeon, he utilized his vast experience in writing stories about animals. He wrote a series of books of stories about animals and their masters. In this story, the doctor James Harriet is really worried. Tricky had become very fat. He looks like a blotted sausage. His eyes are red and rheumy. Mrs. Pumphrey is the mistress of the dog. She has given him malt and cod liver oil and bowl of Horlicks every night. But nothing works. James Harriet realizes that Tricky's only fault was greed for food. Dr. James Harriet advises Mrs. Pumphrey that she must cut Tricky's food right down. She must give the dog some exercise. She must keep him on a very strict diet. Otherwise, he will fall ill. Within a few days, Dr. Harriet receives a call from Mrs. Pumphrey. She tells him that Tricky does not eat and has bouts of vomiting. He only lies down. The doctor advises her that Tricky needs to be hospitalized for a fortnight. He is to be kept under observation. At the surgery, the household dogs moved around Tricky. He sees them laying motionless. A bed for Tricky is made in a warm, loose box. For 2 days, no food is given to him, but plenty of water. On the second day, he starts taking some interest in his surroundings. On the third day, he begins to whimper when he hears the dogs in the yard. Tricky starts taking a walk around the balls, looking casually inside one or two of them. Tricky's progress is rapid. He has no medical treatment of any kind. He runs about the dog joining their friendly barking. He starts fighting for his share of food and hunts rat at night. Dr. Harriet tells Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky is not in danger and recovering rapidly. Mrs. Pumphrey starts bringing eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up his strength. Wine and brandy are also given to improve Tricky's health. The doctor informs that Tricky has recovered and Mrs. Pumphrey can collect him. Within 2 weeks, Tricky had been transformed into a flexible and hard muscled animal. When he saw his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, he leapt and raced to her lap. Mrs. Pumphrey thanked Dr. Harriet. Her eyes were wet and lips trembled. She called Tricky's recovery a triumph of surgery. Now, question answer. Question number one. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Question number two. How did doctor treat the dog? Question number 3. Why did the doctor want to keep the dog as a permanent guest? Question number 4. What message do we get from this story? And question number 5. Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery?